Got Girls Lifestyle. Happy Christmas in July. Let's go shopping at Hobby Lobby and see what amazing things they have out to decorate for the holidays. The beautiful colors of ornaments for your Christmas tree. This would be beautiful in a neutral tree. And who doesn't like the lime green? That's great on a Grinch tree or an elf tree. I just love the lime green, or even to mix the lime greens and the browns are beautiful. You got black. These little candy canes are always cute in a candy tree. And they got beautiful LED candles. Those would be great in your lanterns. Here's their ribbon. A lot of their ribbon this year is reds and greens. Got some lime green and some nutcracker ribbon. And they also have some great candy ribbon. That'd be beautiful on a candy tree or gingerbread tree. You also have gold. I don't know about the black snowflakes. That's not my thing. But if you love black and want a black Christmas tree, that's fine. They have gold, some gold ribbon. Not all of our ribbon is out yet, but they're starting on some of it. They have a lot of red. I love these nativity ornaments, but you could almost do those yourself. Those would be a great DIY. They had a lot of navy blue. Maybe navy blue and red and green is going to be really big this year with what I've seen out so far. This navy blue is really, really pretty with the gold. Would be a great theme for a tree. These are your big candies, your big candy canes, your big lollipops. I don't have a tree this big. Elf feet, candies. They even have a great big gingerbread cookie. They're really cute, but my trees aren't big enough. My house isn't big enough. I love these old-fashioned Christmas trees that lights up, especially the pink ones. And then they have Grinch garland and all kinds of their garlands and wreaths already out. If you want to start DIYing some of your garland and your wreaths, they're already ready to go for you to start working on. Some of them already have some things on them, and some of them don't have anything at all. I couldn't believe the plain gold one that's coming up was $13. There's nothing to it. Yeah, Some of them is really natural, and some of them really isn't. And the gold one is nothing but glitter. It would really make you sweep up glitter. That's what you got to think of. How much glitter do I want to sweep up and clean up after Christmas? This red one with the ornaments is really, really pretty if you don't want to do it yourself. I love the velvet ornaments on it. It was really, really beautiful if that's your theme this year. Here's some of the wreaths. Actually, some of them isn't so bad. I think I might add a bow to it, but they're not too bad. I've seen worse. I like the velvet ornaments a lot.